Welcome back. Jessemcdesign here. Today we're going to be talking about templates. Let's get to it. Now there isn't a specific way to make a template. As you can see here, I got a bunch of drawings. I've changed up some designs, and then there's just new designs that I want to try out. And then over here we have some older designs that I already made into templates. You can see I used a 1/4" MDF. It works great, I like it. It's more sturdy, it lasts a lot longer, and you can get more of a feel for the blade. Now there's nothing wrong with the paper template. They last a couple times, but eventually they'll tear apart and you have to make a new one. So today we're gonna be turning all these paper templates into MDF, more permanent templates. we got them all cut out, profiled real nice. I like the way they look, they feel nice. I'm gonna hit the edges with a little bit of 320 and then seal it with a little bit of wood wax, just so they last a while.
Alright, so there you have it. Like I said, there's no right way or wrong way to do it. The paper templates work fine, but I like to make them at 1/4 inch MDF. They last a lot longer and you can just use them multiple times without worrying about them getting shredded or whatever with how paper ends up. I plan on doing a lot of batch work. It's a lot faster and easier to get multiple knives done at once. So that's the main reason why I went with, you can just trace them out as many times as you want. And I sealed them with the wax just so they last even that much longer. If you want to steal my idea, go ahead and go for it. You'll be seeing these in upcoming videos when I start doing batch work on all these. But if you like what you saw, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. There's more videos coming soon. See you on the next one.